this bike is doing. Dude, this is bad. 1,500 miles later, the bike's unusable. Look at this, wide open throttle. 95. 95!
And we're back from the session, the first session with the new tire, and tire was good, but the bike's definitely still not right. It's kind of the most frustrating thing out there. I'm literally losing it, screaming in my helmet. Honestly, I'm kind of just getting tired of dealing with it. At this point, I don't really know what to do, so I'm gonna go back home and go to the drawing board and, I don't know, figure out what I can. Unfortunately, the bike just isn't performing. I don't know why. I'd like to say it was a letdown right out of the box, but thanks to Cleveland Ducati, I didn't even get to see the box. So it's kind of just been a letdown since I ordered it, I guess, at this point. But I hope that that's not the case for the rest of the story. I hope that we could do something and turn it around, but I don't know.
Alright, so we are on factory settings for the race mode. And we are going to see if that makes any critical difference into how the power delivers. Maybe I messed it up by using the bike's settings. I don't really know at this point. Like I said, I'll take any reason for what it's doing because nothing's providing any answers so far. What the fuck? Wide open, and I'm getting physically slower. Great bike, fantastic bike. It's so annoying, man. I want everyone to know I hate this. If this is the video you watch to decide if you should order an SP2, yeah, fucking don't. Throttle doesn't work. Just get the Beamer. Save yourself 10, 15 grand. Just get an M1000, you'll be fine. Trust. Haven't even ridden one. Bet you the throttle works though. I bet you can use the whole RPM range too. Look at that. Oh, there it is. Slower. Golly. Much like more obvious I can make it. Dude, this is bad. $40,000 bike right there. You can't get 100 miles an hour. You tell me I'm wrong. You tell me I'm wrong for being mad. Go ahead. It's fucked by the dealer. It's fucked on the bike. It's great. And, oh yeah, don't get me wrong. Let's take it to the dealer that fucking couldn't even deliver the bike to me right. Yeah. It's been a sensational experience buying a brand new Ducati so far. I've had 3 of them my whole life now. This is my 3rd Ducati, and it's the worst one. Both of my old Ducatis that have oil leaking, other problems, notorious, brakes don't work, better than this, not having the throttle. And I know some of you are saying, oh, but Kyle, you're going 100 miles an hour. Oh my God, it works. No, it doesn't. Look at that. Oh, look. One more lap around, so I was too busy yelling. This bike is doing it's so much. I'd rather be on a 300 something, you know, with power. Fuck, I'll take a 125. Something with reliable, uses the whole rev range without clogging itself out. Fucking retarded. And yeah, I should probably stop doing it. But guess what? It shouldn't happen. I'm using the bike. I'm your target audience. I'm using the bike for what it's meant to be. You think it comes with mirror deletes and a plate delete? What? Because they want you to run from the police? No. They give you that stuff so you can come track your bike the day you buy it. 1,500 miles later, the bike's unusable. Reliably, at least. I know you see me tearing it up right now, but you know. It could be better, that's all I'm saying. It could actually work. It could be what it is. This SP2 is not faster than any V4S. Definitely not by 2 seconds, too. Rant over. Session over. Bunch of potato salad crap. Just running into the wall. Right into those hay bales. That'll fix it. Throttle should work then if I hit the wall, right? I don't know if you can tell, but I'm kind of mad. Kind of mad my $40,000 bike's busted. Borderline unusable for the thing that they designed it to do. Which is, I don't know, unacceptable, I think. Like, imagine I sold you a water that dehydrated you. That's basically what Ducati has done. Oh, you want to go fast on the track? Psych. Best we can do is 30% throttle input and no unboxing for your brand new bike. This thing's just been, that I should have known at the unboxing. I should have just went to Detroit, signed it right there. And rant.